Good morning, dear viewers. This is the condition over here in Sharjah. Early morning, and to my surprise, they have kept the various organizations, corporations, especially the schools, open. I personally think it could have been made mandatory by the government, like the schools must be kept off, because when the government authorities mention like it's up to the schools, they can take up the decision. Now it depends upon the schools, how they think, where are they located, and who are their top management. You can clearly see how on earth do they expect the students, the parents, to carry out their children from their houses and then get them boarded in the buses. For example, a particular student has to board a bus over here. How he will cross that particular area? It's completely disgusting to have a school running on such a day whereby the streets are flooded by the rainwater, and still you don't have the sky as clear as you can say. I'm really pissed off by such a decision. I really saw many of the students, their socks were not there, their shoes are completely, destroyed. How on earth can the KG students be, Oh my God, you can see it. You can see it with your own eyes. It's completely unbelievable. It's unfair. I never used to make such a video in which I would keep such a tone, but it's the need of the time. It's the need of the time. It's completely, absurd decision. How on earth can they expect the parents to carry their carry their children like this? How on earth? This is the condition. Impossible to go. Cross the road. Here is the person with the bicycle. You can not at all imagine to cross the road. Here we go. Here is the roundabout. My goodness. God gracious, what is this? Where are we going? And why are we going today? All the traffic is stuck over there. It's likely to happen. And you have such a condition. Streets flooded with water, rainwater, and the children have been instructed to go to the schools. Out of nowhere, could a rational mind expect children to go to the schools while their parents, especially their mothers, carrying them all along, crossing the roads in such a condition which could easily be a reason of inflicting an injury? Here they are, the people waiting for their respective buses. Look at this poor man. His shoes are completely destroyed by rainwater. Completely destroyed. Oh my God. Bombardment of rain, we can say. Slowly and slowly they're moving out, but it will definitely destroy the vehicles as well. Have a look. They're stranded over there. Passengers are stranded. My God. Here they walk like this. In this condition, can they walk without the shoes? Epitome of